Happy Easter, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an experiment. I have a huge bowl of PEEPS, all types of different colors and flavors. I hate PEEPS. So the best thing to do is to kill them. So we're going to put them in the microwave right now. So there they are. Tell them to die. So this is after like 1 minute. Nothing happened. They're still like pretty solid. After 30 more seconds. The rabbits are just like falling apart. So they're gonna go in the trash. The rest of the PEEPS are doing pretty good. So let's put them back. They're kind of beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, guys. That's amazing. My hands, they're getting absorbed into it. Oh my god. Look at this. I want to mess up the microwave. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that. That is amazing. My fingers are disgusting. Look at this. It's juicy. Look at this. Ew. This is disgusting. Ew. Like, it feels so good. Ow, 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 ow. It's burning. Oh my god. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god. There's pockets of like magma in here. I like how there's just like a single eye right here. It's like, help me. My hand is disgusting. Oh my god. Ew. That's good. Oh my god. Too much sugar. I don't know how I'm gonna wash my hands though. Like my hands are gone. Ew. Wait. Ah. It's burning so bad. Oh my god. Ah. Ew. Ew, this is kind of amazing. Ew. It's kind of morbid too. This was like PEEPS, and now this is like their flesh. You can't get it off your hands. Like you pull it, and it sticks to your other hand. What have I become? You pull it from one hand, it immediately transfers to the other. Like it's so sticky. Ew. I'm physically trying to take it off. And it's like, look. It won't come off. Okay, I'm gonna physically try to take it off. And it just transfers to your other hand. Okay, I managed to finally free myself. Hot water works wonders. It actually made my skin like feel really smooth, as I'm gonna break out tomorrow. But yeah, sorry for the random video, guys. Just want to wish everyone a happy Easter. I normally do tech videos, so if you're into that thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.